Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have come in with Second Splash. And that takes me $210.29 into profit. But more importantly, I want to show you how you can join Second Splash for free. And as a free member, you can earn a monthly recurring commission. You can also get viral passive traffic with this program. And a bit later on, I'm going to share with you our team's free done for you success system that we're going to give you. And also a bonus that's going to go with that. And with this system, you can promote one link and you can earn 3 passive income streams. So I'm live in my Gmail account here. It's where I get my notifications from Second Splash. And this is a monthly recurring commission. They call it a subscription renewal. And you'll see here that it's for $10.48. This is a 50% commission because I got a free upgrade when this launched as being having a degree of success with one of their other programs, the co-owners. But even as a free member, you would earn 25% commissions, recurring commissions on these subscription renewals. Let's go into the back office now. I'm live in my account here of Second Splash. And first of all, let's just touch on the traffic. So you'll see here, all of these clicks are all automated. It's all viral passive traffic here. You just set your splash page up. It's really simple to do. There's a video tutorial that takes you through that. And then you go from here and just get some viral passive traffic program. More information in the description on that. Let me just show you. So this number here, this $32, is still what's to be paid out. You click to view, and it gives you a list of all your commissions. This here totals $210.29. These 3 that haven't been paid out here get paid out next month. So your commissions are a month in arrears. Everything that I've earned gets paid out twice a month, first week and third month. So everything that you earn in March will get paid out in April. I'd like to draw your attention to this one here at $97 because there is an option for your referrals if they want to upgrade to pay to get a discount by paying up front and yearly. And if one of your referrals does that, like one of mine did, then you get a higher ticket commission. You'd even earn 25% on that. And if they decide to renew again for another year up front, then you're going to earn that again. So it's got that higher ticket potential alongside these monthly renewals that you can see here. I'd like to draw your attention, if I go on to here, to the bonus income. So the bonus income is over here. The bonus income is easy cash for ads. And this the reason that the owners have put this in is because they own this product as well. This product's been going since 2016. You can earn a passive income with it as well as a referral income. If you go onto my channel here, you'll see just with that one-time $19 payment, you can see you can either put it into your into your Second Splash back office. You can even promote it. You can promote it as a standalone offer, like I do as well. So it's worth joining Easy Cash for Ads as that one-time payment, because then you can promote it separately. And then if any of your referrals decide they want to join it, then you earn not just referral income, but passive income on that as well. And if you want to do that, just click here to join Easy Cash for Ads, put your username into there, click update, and then that will be under the bonus income. within your Second Splash back office. And they give you all the different they give you 7 reasons here why they recommend that you join Easy Cash for ads as well. Let me just show you an additional income stream here as well. This is a free done for you system we're going to give you if you decide you want to join our team. So to join Second Splash for our team, just click the link in the description, put your name and your email into there, click on here, and you'll get redirected to this page. And we're going to give you this complete system, and I'm going to show you shortly how you set it all up very easily. So what happens is, if I can find my cursor on the right hand side here, what happens is, my internet's a bit slow today. You can join Second Splash here, and then if you want to use this system, then you can also join Leads Leap here. And then what we'll do is we'll give you this system for free. So you can, we got all the share codes here to set it all up. We've even done a video here for you that will teach you how to set it all up. So you're not only going to earn Second Splash commissions and Easy Cash for ads commissions, we teach you how to put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here. So you can also earn Leads Leap commissions. I'll just show you some proof of that here. So you'll see Leads Leap, so far I've earned $509. And even as a free Leads Leap member, you can start to earn these monthly recurring commissions when you set up this system. So it's very, very simple. I'll just go back here and just show you how that works. You'll promote one link. You'll set this page up here, and then when your prospects go through, they'll come to this page here, and then through your affiliate link, they will join Second Splash here, and then they'll also join Leads Leap. They'll also join Leads Leap here. And then they can set the funnel up as well, and they can use it. So very, very simple. Just takes 20 minutes to get it all set up, and then you can promote that one link. The bonus I mentioned at the beginning of the video is a Leads Leap training course, and we've created Leads Leap do some side-by-side tutorials, but they're predominantly text and image. So what we want to do is help you get the best out of your Leads Leap platform. And we've done a complete success video training course on how to use Leads Leap correctly, how to get everything set up. All of these are all the menu tabs in Leads Leap. So I want to teach you not only how to get a free account, I want to teach you how to get to pro. So you can start to earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. And then with this Leads Leap training course, what you can do is you can not just use it to promote Second Splash, you can use it to promote any online business. And then if we get you to pro, then you get automated traffic, free automated traffic with that as well. So that's what we'd like to do. We'd like to help you not just join Leads Leap and just earn 25% recurring commissions. We want to get you to be able to promote Leads Leap, earn 50% commissions, and then you can get more benefits of using this superb platform. I use it every single day to build my online business. So if you want this as a bonus, when you join Second Splash through me, I'll get a notification. Then my email will be in the description, and just send me an email and say you've joined Second Splash through me, and you'd like the free Leads Leap video training course, and I'll email that across to you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And think of anybody who would get value from this video, please share it as well. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. Any questions you've got about Second Splash, Easy Cash for ads, leads, leap, please leave those in the comments below. I use all of these platforms every single day to build my online business, so I'm very familiar with exactly how they work. And you can contact me, like I said before, through my email in the description. So I recommend you just set a Second Splash account up. Just click the link in the description, and then what you do is when you come into your back office here, it's very beginner friendly. I'll just show you here. You come into how it all works. You go into there, how all this works, and then all the different tabs there. All the different tabs there will take you exactly how to promote affiliate, bonus, commissions, links, referrals. So this is where you start off with Second Splash, going through all this information here and getting everything set up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.